Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, for regular presenter for here for First Aid Immigrant Solution. And here for the NACA, they tell now all what they happen for Italy or around Europe. So the reason why make me come today, may I say make I consequently shook my mouth for this story wey happen for Vicenza area. Now I say make I consequently drop on so that my old followers and other people wey still dey watch me go fit still learn from this story wey still happen to our sister. So wetin be this story? They say for Vicenza area, e get one girl wey dey come dey work, dey do okpomiliki work. Una know wetin be okpomiliki na those people wey dey do ash work. Those people dey come dey do that work. At the end of the day now, they come say the girl dey test am positive for coronavirus. So na the story now I wan shook my mouth put. So now say make I say make una watch this video till the end, make una still lis ten and una still take this advice how the story take play. Now I wan explain to una so. So before then, na Italy come still talk say for those people wey dey live night life work. Those night life na all those people wey go dey enjoy, wey dey drink, dey drink in the night, wey dem dey call movida, wey say go dey dance and play for all those riverside area. So those people, they say they no dey respect distance, they no dey give space if they dey drink or if they dey dance and all those things. So those people fit come increase the numbers of cases of corona for Italy. So Italy don still dey blow this alarm, say make dem stand at alert, say this coronavirus never finish like that. Make we still dey maintain this social distance, we still use our face mask and we still dey use hand sanitizer as everything fair be when during this lockdown. So now I say make I come use this my YouTube channel, still take pass this great information and this story wey happen to our sister, so we fit still use am still take learn. I no use am I wan take use take laugh the person or take do any propaganda, but na just to advise this our sister and people wey still dey know say still fall under this category go still take their own for inside. So this thing e happen to two people wey dey do this road work matter, and these people, one of them dey 43 years while the other one dey 23 years. So both of them was tested positive for this San Bartolomeo di Vicenza hospital. Na there they for hospitalize the 23 years old Nigeria girl for USA of Berica. Na there for confirm the girl after they don do swab test for the girl. And the girl, they thought say the girl no get sign of coronavirus for body, but after the swab test, now they come see say the girl was tested positive. And there they come talk say they no fit leave this girl, they will hospitalize am until this girl swab test result negative. They no fit leave am. So she's hospitalized there in San Bartolo di Vicenza hospital. So the treatment is still going on. But series of questions where they come dey ask this girl alongside with the guy wey follow am come. So according to the news, they talk say na the guy dey protect the girl. E fit be boyfriend, e fit be friend, e fit be person wey still escort am go hospital. So when they ask the guy, say this girl, wetin be this guy come ask am say wetin be your document, wetin be your name, and the guy come declare fake name give them. Say wetin be your date of birth, and the guy still declare different date of birth. The name wey the guy declare, they see am but na different foreigner name na im show, but the date of birth no coincide with the name of that person wey show. I wan use this one still take advise our brothers, say all immigrants wey dey in Europe or any advanced country, they get database. Any name wey you give them, if e no match the database, any name wey you match am na im go come out. Na im make am say if any letter comot for your name, na you be different name entirely. So na im make comma, full stop, letter, word, if e no dey your name, e no correct at all. Na im make am say if you dey do any passport, any document, if your name na James Osas with hyphen at the middle, if that hyphen no dey, na different person entirely. Na make una need to dey very careful. And for those people wey dey give fake name, They fit use that one take deport you. It's an offence because it's a criminal act if you declare a fake identity, and if they make denounce or investigation on that person, they fit carry that person go out because of name wey you change. So I say make I use this one take warn any of my viewers wey dey watch this video say changing of name is a criminal act. More una no try am, even though say una dey hospital or una dey anywhere, because if una dey hospital anywhere, they still be under governmental sector. They fit know say you change name, and those things fit result to a they fit go lay complaint on that particular person, and the person fit risk deportation or jail terms, because when you take do fake declaration na criminal act. Because if the government dey fight coronavirus, so government suppose to, or police or any other governmental forces, they dey work in line with these doctors in order to fight against this virus. Because wetin coronavirus don cause Italy or the world at large no be small thing o. For country to lock down for 55 days, no movement, you think say na easy thing? No, you know a lot of companies wey close, and make am dem no dey like to take am easy again with anybody. So if you get this virus, they tell you say make you stay for house for quarantine, or make you stay for hospital, stay. If they no dey ask you stay, make you stay because of say you be black or because of say you be foreigner. They ask you say make you stay, make you no fit spread this virus for more people. Na make dem dey tell you say make you stay. Because the way they ask this girl question, na they come ask this girl say how many people you come in contact with. Na the girl no gree, he refuse to talk because of say maybe he feel ashamed because of the work wey dey do, or if he feel say he no wan put those people wey come still patronize am when they do this okpomiliki work, he go feel say he wan put all those people for problem. The girl fit not talk. I say the reason why they dey ask you question, I believe say make dem still ask those people, make dem still go do their swab test, whether they test positive or negative, so that make dem for know their faith. If they test positive, they'll still quarantine them or they'll still hospitalize them, just as they still do to that our sister wey still dey 23 years, wey still dey hospital now. So now I say make I use this one still take advise our viewers too, whether una dey under this category or una no dey under this category. This thing fit happen to anybody. E fit no happen to us say we dey do okpomiliki work, but this girl fit give am one room, or if fit share bed, or if fit come greet any of our friends and family, or una fit share a glass of cup together, una fit still share ideas together. You no know because of say she no get symptom for body say she get this virus, because coronavirus no be all case e dey show for face, e no dey show for eye. But if una no respect social distances and all those normal hygienic things, una fit still collect this virus. Because this virus now, the way the thing take dey spread now, they say e still dey come back again. So na make dem dey try to make sure say dem dey look for the way make dem take know the people wey come in contact with am, so that make dem for fit know whether those people still get am now, or in 14 days time whether the symptom go still come back. Na make am dey say make dem still ask the girl, but the girl refuse to talk. After the guy don give fake identity and the rest of the day, na dem still write everything down. And the guy forget say when you enter hospital, camera dey everywhere. With your face dem fit know your real identity and any place wey you dey for Italy. And then dem come find out say this girl wey dey do okpomiliki so na 23 years e dey, and e get resident for Trento, and e dey come dey do okpomiliki for near Vicenza side. You know say the distance na two different regions. Na the girl dey operate, you understand? Go come for Trento, Alto Adige, go come Veneto, come do okpomiliki, they'll still go back. So na then the vice sindaco for Vicenza come talk say even this girl, so they ask social assistants, they still ask interpreter, they still ask other non-governmental bodies wey they call NAVA, whether they know this girl. Now they talk say they never even hear of this girl before, they never even see this girl before. But this girl not be spirit. Maybe the girl never even go ask assistance for social assistance service, or he never even need help of interpreter. Maybe na make the interpreter never still know am. So na make I say make I use this opportunity to advise all my viewers, all my followers, say abeg this coronavirus still dey, and if you get opportunity make una still go do test, make una to know una faith, because a lot of people dey now the symptom no dey show for their body, but dem dey carry the virus dey waka. Na those people na im dey dangerous pass, just as that case of this girl now. So the work wey the girl dey work now no be work wey you fit show, you fit respect social distance, you understand. So now I say make I use this my video still take advice even my brothers wey still dey do shoroti, make una make sure say una still dey carry hand sanitizer follow body, or make una still dey wash una hand regularly, or make una dey use face mask. The same thing still apply whether you dey do work for government work, or you dey do fabrical work, or any other work wey you dey do. Make sure say you still respect all the rules and regulations, because this coronavirus never still finish. E still dey go small small, because our brothers wey still get am, most of them no know their faith. They fit shake you normal way, at the end you go still collect from there. You still carry am go house, or carry am go any place where you still go. Na so this virus still dey spread. Now say make I use this video still to educate our viewers, make we still dey careful, so that make we no dey give wrong identity, make we no dey fear say this swab test now dem wan still keep me for hospital, so but dem wan treat you free. Dem wan make sure say you dey okay before dem leave you make you go house. So if you find this video useful, make una share am to una loved ones, and make una click on the subscribe button, and make una still share am so that this video fit reach everybody, so that when next I come again, if una still get question, una fit still drop am for this my channel, or call me for 35101233025. Until we see you again for my next video, una bye bye.